Hello everyone. Let's work on leetcode 3212, count submatrices with equal frequency of x and y. I think this is actually a very boring question and it write a lot of code. But the idea is very simple. We can have a two-dimensional matrix grid, then we can have two 2D dimensional matrix to remember the sum of x and sum of y. Then if all those conditions are met, we'll just add 1 to the final answer. Okay, so that is the idea and we'll directly write the code. So suppose n equals to grid size and m equals grid 0 size. And what we can do is we have a vector of grade of x. This is n, then vector m, 0, okay, and then we have gy here. And then we will calculate the sum, n equals okay, if I equals 0 and j equals 0, then gx 0, 0 equals grid 0, 0 equals x, okay? And gy, how about gy? Gy is equal to grid 0, 0 equals y. Okay, and otherwise, what shall we do? So suppose I equals 0, then gx 0 and j. Now j is for sure not 0, okay? So this equals to gx 0 j minus 1. We'll add those things later, okay? So let's say if grid, we'll add it now actually. I j equals x, gx I j plus plus, and same for y as well. Okay. Then if I equals 0, else if j equals 0, I equal 0. So if j is 0, then we have I 0, I minus 1. This is 0, okay? And else, so this is I and j are both non-zero. So gx will be ij will be equal to gx I minus 1 j plus gx I j minus 1 minus gx I minus 1 j minus 1. Okay, because we are adding this part twice, so we do 1 minus here. And same are true for gy, so we just replace all the x to y here, okay, and replace all the x to y here, and also for this one replace x to y here, okay. And I think then gx and gy are both initialized. Then we can do the actual work. So we copy these two lines to somewhere here. So we define the return value. Oh, we already have that. Let's move it to somewhere here for clarity. So if I equals 0 and j equals 0, it won't be the answer, right? We just continue. Then if gxij equals gyij and gxij greater than 0, res plus plus, okay, and we return res. Let's see. LeetCode is very slow. I think they require us to buy for some membership to make it faster. So meanwhile, let's see if the code is correct. We have n and we have m. Then we have the gx and gy, which remembers from 0, 0 to x, y, ij, how many x. Similar, this is from 0, 0 to ij, how many y's, okay? It's so slow. And we use 2 for loop to calculate all the gx and gy. This part is dynamic programming. So we have gx if at 0 it's these two values. So this means if this is true, then gx x and gx00 is 1. If this is true, then this is 1. Then we have 3 conditions. One is I equals 0. The other is, we'll try again. The other is j is 0. Okay, this is accepted. Let's submit. This is j is 0, and this is some regular case. So I and j are both non-zero. So we do it this way. So this part is added twice, so we'll subtract once, same as for this part as well. And finally, we decide whether we need to add one more if based on the current grid condition. Then we got the answer, okay? So, and it is accepted, and I think that's it for this problem. And thank you for watching. See you next time.